It's a 2019 Honda Odyssey. You have responsibilities. That's why you have an Odyssey. You like to have fun. That's why you drive a Honda. Features include streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.